something my father told me. Look at the stars. The great kings of the past look down on us from those stars.
Really?
Yes. So whenever you feel alone, just remember that those kings will always be up there to guide you. And so will I.
But I can't see them, Dad.
Keep looking, son. Keep looking.
But somebody once told me the great kings of the past are up there. They're all watching over us.
That's a good one. That's insane. That's insane.
Royal dead guys watching over us. Well, I hope they don't fall out of the sky.
Hang on, Your Majesty. Don't let go.
Oh, that would be a mess.
Do you see him?
I don't see anything.
Kuala Selama. Look closer. You see? He lives in you. Simba.
Dad?
Simba, you must take your place in the circle of life.
I can't.
You must remember who you are, the one true king.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to be like you.
As king, I was most proud of one thing, having you as my son.
That was a long time ago.
No, Simba, that is forever.